It's just as beautiful as the day I bought it. Hi, welcome to Setting Dawn on Fire. I'm Rachel Fern, and this is episode 1 of Setting Dawn on Fire, the behind the scenes footage. Today, you're gonna hear the story of the dress. You're gonna learn where it came from, and then you're gonna go with me while I do everything I need to do to get this dress clean and ready so we can burn it. So I originally purchased the dress at Dynasty Furniture on Peters Creek Parkway. I was not dress shopping at a furniture store, I was furniture shopping, but I saw it, I had to have it, I bought it, and I've used it ever since. The first shoot I did with it was like a pinup style shoot with Heather and Sam, and we used an antique car, and it was really great. The last shoot that I used it was another shoot with Dawn, and we got a little weird. We got weird. And we made a big mess. And my favorite shot, the one that I ended up using for a piece of artwork, is where we like pulled it halfway off of her. And so we had her covered in paint and black liquid, and the dress got all dirty, and it was really gnarly. After the shoot, for some reason, I just stuck the dress outside in the tool shed so that I could like clean it up later. And now it is 6 months later, and I guess it's time to clean it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make Kenny go outside to get it because the tool shed is weird and there's camel crickets, and I'm terrified of camel crickets.
Why are you getting video of me getting this?
It's part of the behind the scenes documentation.
Here's Kenny.
This is
the dress out of the shed.
Well, I don't want to go in there. It's scary. There's camel crickets. There it is, exactly where I left it. Does it still look pretty? Can you shake it out and make sure there's no bugs in it? It's just as beautiful as the day I bought it. All right. Okay, so the dress is definitely gross. It's mysteriously wet for some reason, and kind of crunchy. So, and it's still got a lot of black paint because that did not get miraculously cleaned in the tool shed. So now we're gonna take it and clean it the old-fashioned way. We're just gonna cram it. Just cram it here. I hope Dawn likes the fresh scent of Aldi brand Gain detergent. And we're gonna put it on deep water, extra rinse, cold, heavy. It is 6:30 in the morning, and the first thing I thought of when I got up was this dress that I just put in the washing machine, and if it survived the washing machine. And so I wanted to get it out and show you guys. All right, it looks different than it did when I put it in. This the tool looks like it's fashioned itself into some sort of wed. What am I looking at here, buddy? Where parts of it are twisted into a rope. Okay, all right, here we go. Floof it out. All right, look, okay. So it looks like all that black really come out. All right, so excellent. Aldi brand Gain detergent for the win. All right, so I'm gonna take it. It's kind of wet, obviously, and I don't want to run it through the dryer, so I'm just gonna hang it up and let this stuff de-wrinkle. And then the next step is strategically burning it. Make sure to click the link in this post if you want to book your own photo shoot. If you want any of the artwork featured in this video, it's all available for sale on fineartamerica.com. So click the link.